Hello, I'm Myfanwy Alexander and I'm the portfolio holder for education in Powys County Council. And today the Cabinet passed our new fair funding formula for schools throughout Powys. It was necessary to redo the funding formula because it hadn't been looked at for quite some time and the needs of our learners had changed. It was high time to make sure that the funds that we have were distributed fairly. This isn't a case of growing the cake, I'm afraid. There isn't any more money. But this formula is clear and it's fair. And in the future, people will be able to see why their school is funded and in what way. I hope it'll also be useful both to senior management teams within schools and governing bodies to help them in setting a budget that reflects the amount of funding that they have. Because I'm afraid there is no more. This is what we have. And I'm sure that this will deliver education, help schools live within their means. We have excellent schools in Powys and this is how they'll be funded in the future.